Chemical drugs and medicinal plants for muscle relaxant. Chemical drugs refer to any substances that are used for therapeutic, medicinal, or recreational purposes and have been created or synthesized through chemical processes. Generally, both baclofen and magnesium have potential health benefits when used appropriately. Baclofen is a muscle relaxant that is primarily used to treat muscle spasms and spasticity. It works by acting on the central nervous system to inhibit the activity of nerves that control muscle movement. It works by acting on the central nervous system to inhibit the activity of nerves that control muscle movement. Baclofen can help alleviate muscle tightness and improve mobility for individuals with conditions such as multiple sclerosis, spinal cord injuries, or cerebral palsy. Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in various bodily functions. It is involved in the regulation of muscle and nerve function, blood pressure, and the immune system. Magnesium is also important for maintaining heart health, bone strength, and energy production. The combined effect of baclofen and magnesium can have several potential health benefits. Muscle and spasticity relief. Baclofen's muscle relaxant properties can be enhanced by the presence of magnesium, as magnesium is necessary for proper muscle function. This combination may provide increased relief from muscle spasms and spasticity. Neuroprotective effects. Some research suggests that both baclofen and magnesium have neuroprotective properties. Baclofen has been found to have antioxidative and anti-inflammatory effects on the central nervous system, while magnesium is essential for maintaining healthy nerve cell function. Together, these substances may have a protective effect on the brain and spinal cord.
Anxiety and sleep enhancement. Baclofen has been used off-label to help manage anxiety and improve.
Magnesium has also been implicated in reducing anxiety symptoms and promoting better sleep. The combination of baclofen and magnesium might provide enhanced relief in these areas. Improved bone health. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining strong bones, and deficiencies in this mineral have been linked to osteoporosis. By ensuring adequate magnesium levels, the combination of baclofen and magnesium may contribute to better bone health. The combination of these substances may not be suitable for everyone and can result in side effects or interactions with other medications. There is limited research available specifically on the effect of magnesium on necrosis of the pelvic bone. However, magnesium does play a crucial role in various physiological processes, including bone health. Bone health. Magnesium is essential for the formation and maintenance of healthy bones. It is involved in the regulation of calcium metabolism, bone mineralization, and bone remodeling. Magnesium deficiency can affect bone density and increase the risk of osteoporosis, which could potentially exacerbate necrosis of the pelvic bone. Anti-inflammatory effects. Magnesium possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is often associated with necrosis, and reducing inflammation might help alleviate symptoms or slow down the progression of necrosis in the pelvic bone. Antioxidant activity. Magnesium has shown antioxidant effects, which can help reduce oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is associated with tissue damage and cell death, including in the bones. By reducing oxidative stress, magnesium may potentially protect the pelvic bone from further damage and limit the extent of necrosis. Blood circulation. Magnesium plays a role in maintaining healthy blood circulation. Improved blood flow to the pelvic bone can aid in the delivery of necessary nutrients and oxygen, promoting healing and potentially limiting the progression of necrosis. While these potential effects of magnesium on necrosis of the pelvic bone are promising, more research is needed to establish the specific impact and dosage recommendations. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is rich in magnesium. It can be consumed raw in salads or cooked in various dishes. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is another leafy green vegetable that contains a good amount of magnesium. It can be consumed raw or cooked and used in salads, stir-fries, or as a side dish. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a great source of magnesium. They can be eaten raw as a snack, added to salads or desserts, or used in baking. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are another plant-based source of magnesium. They can be eaten on their own, added to granola or oatmeal, or used in baking recipes. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious nut that contains a good amount of magnesium. They can be eaten as a snack, added to salads or stir-fries, or used in baking recipes. Black beans. Black beans are a legume that provides magnesium along with other essential nutrients. They can be cooked and used in various dishes such as soups, stews, or added to salads. Avocado. Avocado is a fruit that is not only rich in healthy fats but also contains magnesium. It can be added to salads, used as a spread, or enjoyed on its own. Bananas. Bananas are a fruit that contains magnesium along with other beneficial nutrients. They can be eaten as a snack, added to smoothies, or used in baking recipes. Dandelion greens. Dandelion greens are a lesser-known leafy green vegetable that contains magnesium. They can be used in salads, stir-fries, or cooked as a side dish. Muscle relaxant herbs. These herbs can help relieve muscle tension, ease muscle spasms, and reduce overall muscle soreness. Some of the commonly used muscle relaxant herbs include chamomile. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and mild muscle relaxant properties. It can help reduce muscle spasms and promote relaxation. Valerian root. Valerian root is a natural sedative and muscle relaxant. It can help relax tense muscles, reduce anxiety, and promote sleep. Lavender. Lavender has calming properties and can help relax muscles. It is often used in aromatherapy to relieve muscle tension and promote relaxation.
Kava. Kava is a Polynesian herb that is known for its muscle relaxant and anxiolytic properties. It can help reduce muscle tension and promote a sense of calmness.
Passion flower. Passion flower has muscle relaxant and sedative properties. It can help relieve muscle spasms and promote relaxation. Arnica. Arnica is commonly used topically as a muscle relaxant. It can help reduce muscle soreness, inflammation, and promote healing. Cramp bark. Cramp bark is a traditional muscle relaxant herb that can help relieve muscle spasms, menstrual cramps, and other types of muscle pain. It is important to note that while these herbs may have muscle relaxant properties, they may also have other effects on the body. If you have any specific health conditions or are taking medications, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before using these herbs as muscle relaxants. It's important to note that the use of any medication or supplement, including Baclofen and Magnesium, should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional.
Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.